Well, hello there, YouTube. I am just out for a little ride tonight. I stepped outside, and it's not bad at all. It's actually pretty nice. I pulled the thing out. My shop was 70 degrees, but now it's only up to like 86, so it's not bad at all. It's actually kind of cool. Feels great. I don't know why my GPS is funky. It's still set at my house, and I turn it off. Pretty nice. It's actually beautiful out. It's been up to like 106, 108, but it's not bad right now. And it's only 7:12. We sure could use some rain though, man. We're on water rationing up here too. Not supposed to be watering your grass, but I have to water mine. It's just it's just expensive grass. I can't let it die. Okay, let's see if it can come back on now. It was still stuck at my house. It wasn't even working. It was on when I went out in the shop. I turned the key to take the parking brake off and scoot it forward. I didn't catch that the GoPro stayed on. I mean the GPS stayed on. I'm gonna take a ride out to Lake Tawakoni. I haven't been out there since we were looking at homes. That's a couple years ago. Oh, there we go. Now it seems to be working. I like to zoom it in a little bit. Huh. Ooh, God, something smacked me in the face. A bug. Nice evening though. On the Spyder, as you can tell. Yep, I'll turn it off. Bye. It didn't turn off. Oh, what I did today, I went to the Bad Boy place right down the street from me, and I bought a mulch kit for my Bad Boy ZT Elite. And I went out and tried it, and it still shoots stuff out. I don't know why it's shooting stuff out. It's blocked off. I thought it would just mulch it up and it'd be gone, but it just still leaves it in the yard, which is kind of crazy. Bye. Well, here's Lake Tawakoni. We're looking at a home out here. Don't remember where it was, but it was on this lake. And the front of the house was okay, but the back of the house was more beautiful. It had a boathouse. You just pull your boat up in there, lift it up, and it's like a garage. And I think it had a boat dock. So that would have been fun to live out this way, but it is pretty far from my son. I think it was over there somewhere. Pretty big lake. Lots of water in it. See if I can find that house. I don't remember where it was. Wow, this is a really good-sized lake. I'm really surprised. I don't remember it being this big, but it's been a few years since we've been here.